Year 2020. Dooby dooby doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Hi, Yadaw is back! Happy Chinese New Year 2020 and wishing all my Chinese friends out there a happy Lunar New Year. I'm back and what I'm going to do this time round. As you all know, it's a year of the rat. Okay, and the rat is actually the first animal in the Zodiac sign. So I'm actually going to play a game with the youngsters out there whether they know the sequence of the animals in the Zodiac sign. So follow me now. Come, 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 come.
Dragon, snake, horse, sheep, monkey,
Okay.
chicken,
Okay, rooster.
dog, and then pig.
Okay, you get it all right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, get it all right.
It starts with rat.
Yeah, right.
And
Okay.
the ox,
Okay.
the rabbit.
Okay, there's something before that. It's
It's
in the wild.
in the wild.
Yeah.
All the animals are in the wild.
Oh, yeah, correct. But it's it's a very fierce animal.
Dragon.
No, another one.
Um,
Okay, rat is correct. Ox is correct, and
and no, it's not a snake.
okay, it roars. Okay.
What was
It
that?
pounds on people. It's a cat.
It's a lion.
No, it's a tiger.
Tiger, yeah,
alright.
tiger, then,
Okay, after that,
What did I say just now?
a very cute one.
Rabbit,
A rabbit. Okay.
a dragon,
Yes, correct.
then
Uh,
chicken,
no, it hisses a lot.
snake.
Snake.
It's
Okay,
a snake.
alright.
Then
Yeah.
okay, I don't know.
Okay, no, bro. At least you managed to get the first 6.
Wait. I don't know. Rat,
Rat. Okay.
tiger, right? No.
Ox,
Yes, correct. Okay.
then
Tiger.
then rabbit,
Correct.
rabbit, okay, rabbit, and then
Snake. I didn't remember after
After
ox.
rabbit, it's a very fierce animal.
Tiger.
You already mentioned tiger. Rat, ox, tiger, rabbit. Very fierce. It doesn't exist, but it's very fierce.
dragon,
Yes. Okay.
Dragon.
Alright. Then after that.
Dragon, then snake,
Okay.
horse, sheep, dog.
Sheep. After that is something else. It jumps around tree to tree.
Monkey,
Okay, and then
then
your wake up call,
rooster,
and then.
dog, then pig.
All right. Thank you.
One mouse, 2 ox. 1、2、3。
Tiger.
3 tiger. Rabbit. Dragon. Snake. Horse. Then chicken. Or sheep.
And
Sheep,
you can show the friend also. The friend is over there. Yeah, the friend is giving the answer also. Yeah. Okay, so after sheep is what? Monkey. Okay, then after that? Rooster. Okay. And pig. Okay, that's the right answer. Correct. Okay.
The sequence.
The 12 animals. Yeah.
Red.
Okay.
Ox, then tiger. Yeah, tiger, then rabbit, then
Okay.
dragon.
After is snake, right?
Yeah, snake.
Let's see our
Forget it. Yeah. After snake, forget it. Yeah. Okay.
Horse.
Okay, what's the last one?
Oh,
It
horse.
starts with a red. and
After
it
horse,
ends.
right?
Okay. What does it end with?
Sorry?
It starts with red, right?
Yeah.
What's the last animal?
Horse. The last is. No, I
Pig. Okay, pig is correct. I give you the answer. Pig is the correct one.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
I give you answer.
Okay. Well, as you saw, some knew the answer and some actually did some good guesses out there. But the question now is, does Vinod himself, does Yadaw himself know the answer? So I'll try, okay? Alright, I know it starts off with red. Okay, it's red is the first answer. So, red. Okay, red. red ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, and what's the other 6 more? Let me see. Horse, sheep, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. Am I right? I hope so. I'm right. Bye. Happy Chinese New Year.